Hello, welcome to my channel Black Tie. Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. I'm thrilled to be back and share another informative video with you. Today's topic may be a bit controversial, but I believe it's an important conversation that needs to be had. Make sure to watch the entire video because at the end, we'll be sharing a super tip that you don't want to miss out on. Have you ever thought about the things you say to women and how they might perceive them? It's important to understand that there are many things that you might think women like or don't care about, but in reality, they might absolutely hate and want nothing to do with you if you say them. Have you ever thought that there might be things you're doing that you think women like or don't care about, but actually, they hate them and it's a surefire way to turn them off? It's happened to all of us at some point or another, but the good news is that we can learn from our mistakes and avoid making them in the future. But first, let's get real. A lot of us guys don't understand why we get rejected or why women don't want to be with us. We blame it on everything from not having enough money to not being tall enough or good looking enough. But the truth is, it often comes down to something as simple as not knowing how to interact with a woman properly. So today, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks on what not to do when you're trying to impress a lady. And trust me, these are things you'll want to avoid if you want to increase your chances of success. Did you know that studies have shown that women are attracted to men who listen and show genuine interest in what they have to say? It's true. So if you're constantly interrupting or not paying attention when a woman is talking to you, you're definitely not doing yourself any favors. Instead, try actively listening and asking follow-up questions. It will show her that you're interested in getting to know her better. Another thing that women really dislike is when men come on too strong or act too aggressively. It can be a major turn-off and make her feel uncomfortable. Remember, it's important to give her space and respect her boundaries. And if you're not sure if she's interested, it's always better to ask than to assume. And we shouldn't overlook the importance of maintaining our appearance. While it may seem like an obvious aspect of self-care, it's worth emphasizing its significance. No woman wants to be around someone who smells bad or looks like they haven't showered in days. So make sure you're taking care of yourself and presenting your best self to the world. There are also some common mistakes that guys make when it comes to dating apps and social media. For example, sending unsolicited photos or messages that are too forward can be a major turn-off. It's important to take things slow and get to know each other before jumping into anything too quickly. So there you have it, guys. Some things to keep in mind when you're trying to impress the ladies. Remember, it's all about showing respect, being a good listener, and presenting your best self. And if you do make mistakes, don't beat yourself up about it. We're all human and we all make mistakes. Just learn from them and keep moving forward. If you're finding it difficult to impress women, know that you're not alone. It's common for men to make mistakes, but the good news is that you can learn from them and avoid repeating them in the future. Showing genuine interest in what she has to say, respecting her boundaries, and taking care of your appearance are some key tips that can help you in your dating life. And let's not forget about taking care of your appearance. It might seem obvious, but it's worth mentioning. No woman wants to be around someone who looks like they haven't put any effort into their appearance. So make sure you're dressing nicely, grooming yourself, and presenting your best self to the world. Remember, if you make mistakes, it's okay. Learn from them and keep moving forward. Thanks for tuning in to Black Tie, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more great content. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about unlocking the mystery of female desire and attracting women, make sure to check out our other videos on the topic. You can find more great content by clicking on the links in the description below. See you in the next video.